Hi guys, long time no see. As you see, I just started a new project at home, and it's kind of new for me. It's a planter. It's a nice planter from a cedar. And to be honest, I've never done it before, but as you see, I'm trying to do my best. I'm just cutting the edges of the boards, and now I'm just sanding them. It's a very beautiful boards, and I like it, but it's pretty expensive, to be honest. In Canada it's like 12 12 it's just about $13 per one board. It's kind of expensive for me, and for one planter I just need three boards. Actually, I will add everything um, in a description just down this video, so you will see everything like sizes, measurements, everything what you need to make the same one. I mean the same planter. So, and yeah, after that I'm just cutting the sides of the planters, and now I'm just cutting the legs. And right now you'll see I made a huge mistake. I didn't push correctly, and you see how it's like just just about hit me. I'm okay, but I'm just, please don't do like this. That was kind of dangerous. Anyway, I'm just, as you see, I'm keep going, and so from the last board I'm just doing the legs and um, the shape of the top of planter. I'm just making many mistakes, but trying my best. So I spent just about 3 hours just for one planter, and it's not too big. And but I think the result is not too bad. You'll see at the end of the video. So now I'm showing how many pieces you need to put it together, and I'm trying to figure out how to do it the best, because it's like, it's many things, like different side of the board is kind of, it's not very straight. It's not like the best boards, but yeah, I'm trying to do everything like very straight and very beautiful. And that's that, using that bread nailer. By the way, I bought it for just $200. I believe a couple of months ago, one woman she was selling this for $250, but in a description he mentions that it like kind of has a air leak. So I decided to buy it for $200, and she was okay with that. And yeah, I came home and I didn't find any leak. It's just a new one, the old bread nailer, and it's working beautiful. So I'm happy about this, because a new one cost like $500 or something. Yeah, anyway, so far so good. As you see, I just about finishing one side, and it's actually not too difficult, and I was enjoying to do this job. I like this project, but now I'm trying to sell it. To be honest, I made three of them, two exactly the same size like I'm doing right now in this video, and one a bigger one. So I'm trying to sell it in Facebook Marketplace, but it's been staying there. I was listing it like 3 days ago, and it's still nothing. just many people watching it and just two listings saved, I believe, but that's all. Not too many people need it. Maybe it's because of Easter time now, I'm not sure, but we'll see. We'll see. I watched lots of videos in the US, and people just selling it like crazy. Like, I don't know, some people just watching the videos and other people and they commenting like, oh my god, I was working so hard and I tried this and I'm selling it like crazy now, like 3-4 planters per day. It's like $300-$400. It's not too bad. I decided to try it too, but as I said, like, no results for now. We'll see if people will not. Oh, you see, right now I made a mistake and I just use a bread nailer incorrect, and some nails goes outside, so I needed to pull it out. And you see now it looks very bad. It's not straight at all, but just one side. And this is the first planter, so I'm just learning, and yeah, and that glue is, oh guys, it's crazy. Like it's so good. It's like when you glue everything, it's so solid after, I believe, half an hour or something. But try not to pull that glue everywhere, because it's very hard to clean it up. You see, it's white. It's getting white everywhere, so I need to sand it. Later you will see. And now it's actually, you see, it's just about done. Now I'm making the bottom of the planter, and yeah, just about it. And it's still cold. You know, it's April now, but it's still cold, so I needed to wear so many stuff on me, and it's I don't like it. It's still cold, so it's not, you know, very comfortable to work in my garage. So, oh yeah, and by the way, it's not enough just yeah, you need a little piece in the middle. You see, it's still a hole in there, so yeah, I just need another piece. You see, it's not too big, but it's not enough. It's still too big hole in the bottom, so need another piece to add it, but not a big problem. And I like this wood cedar. It looks perfect. I like it very much, but it's too expensive. I don't understand why, because in the US it's just people say it's $2.50 or $3, but here it's 12 and $12.50 with taxes. It's just about $13. So yeah, now I'm just doing perfect things on the top of the planter, and it's, you know, to look it more beautiful, using my meter saw. I actually bought the new blade, and it helps so much. Like it's very sharp and it has more teeth, so I like that too. And yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video or you need something, give me thumbs up and let me know in the comments. But thanks for watching, and yeah, please subscribe and let me know if you need something to know, or if you want me to create something. I will try my best. And see you next video, guys. Have a good one.